Hello viewers, this is my second video on OpenBridge Modeler 2022 Release 2 features. So I'll show here two more features. So these are the four features that I have shown in my previous video. Now the fifth one that I'm gonna show is the improvement to footing elevation constraints and DTM. We can see this is a bridge model here. So I'll turn on the terrain, which is here. You can see that. This is the plan view. So I'll focus on this part because there is a nice slope here. So what we're gonna do, let's go into the pier and going into the elevation constraint, and let's say what's in there. Let's see what's in there. So this is -1 meter there. So let's observe here. So we can see the slope going like that, and we have here. So there is obviously a smaller height from the top of the elevation, top of the footing to the terrain, but there is bigger soil height there, right? So similar situations in for all of them. So what will I do? I'll change it to monochrome just to. So you see here, we don't see, obviously it's gone down. So again, to understand what I'm going to do, I'm going to go there again, elevation, and I'm going to change in the footing. I'm going to make 1 meter positive rather than negative. And you can see here is you see the other end is buried for all of them. Here we don't know the height, and then there is the gap, and then here is the height, and here is the gap. That so it means, and you can see this end is almost same height. I think that is the 1 meter. And what happens here is actually previously what we had is the center, the elevation was tagged only on the center point, but it is now for the corner points and also on the center point. Thus, when we said in there that the footing cap I need 1 meter, it calculates the lowest uh, height where that needs to maintain 1 meter, and the rest is there. It's not anymore the center line only, it's the center point only, it's the corner point, and then the center point as well. So for our understanding, let me make this one again. Another change is in there. Let me make it zero point 0.1, and it will be clearly visible. What you can see, I made it just 0.1 meter from the train, and we can see only the corner top point. So that means it is counting from the whatever the highest point and lowest point, just minimum point, it's minimum height it's getting somewhere, and from there it's calculating, right? It's not only on the center line. Another feature that I want to show here is the skew solid option for tapered caps and inverted T caps. So if we come here, we can see this is the pier here. This pier you can see highlighted. So this is the one here. What will I make is I'll make that skew. This is 10 degree. I'll make that obvious like 15 degrees, so it's clearly visible. So this is the cap here that we are looking at here. So we want this like as parallel to that, so that would be the skew solid. So what I gonna do, and we can see this is the taper. I'll go here apply skew to solid, true, and you can see the change, and you can see this line is parallel to that alignment and deck, and you can see this is cut parallel. The same feature solid cut thing is applied to inverted T as well. Like here we have an inverted T as a headstock, as a cap. So this is skewed as well. So you can see this edge. So we'll do the same thing. The apply skew to solid. And you can see this is applied here. This is applied.